Okay, so now we've got our images, we've got description. What's missing is the sub items here. So we've got here, you see standard accessories, premium dealer, rental link. We need to add these things, and once we've added those things, we're pretty much done. Okay, so let's first add table style here. There's two table styles, stand-up table and sit-down table, and there's no price difference. Let's just add this. So I'll go back here, I'll close this here, and we'll see how it's done. So I'll click on the premium blackjack table, and perhaps let's do it another way. We'll start from the top. So I'll say it's a kit here, and you see how we have standard accessories. We'll add this in the other one, and then we will also have premium table skirt, blackjack dealer kit, casino spell kit. These are the things, and when we click on inventory variant and pricing, we've got those. There's no price difference. The price delta means price difference, and we also have multi-select checkbox. So I'll just make note here of our inventory variant. It's 198, 115, 120. So those are the numbers for a premium table skirt, a blackjack dealer kit, and a casino spell kit. These things are already entered in the OEMS, and for this tutorial, I'll just pick the same things. So what we need to do is put standard accessories. I'll take a copy of this. We will need to select multi-select checkbox, and we'll need these three things here. And I wrote down the numbers. So now I'll close this. I'll go into premium blackjack tutorial, and I'll say exit the kit, and then I'll say new here. I guess I didn't need to click on it. I'll just put this here as standard accessories, and then inventory variant. Here, the first one here was 198. I'll say new or select perhaps. Let's close this. I guess just 198 should do it. Maybe I have to go here and say select and then put 198 here. Say cool. That didn't work. Okay, so we add table skirt was the first one here. So skirt. So cool. So we have table skirt, premium table skirt 198. That's what I had. So I will put this here, and now it's selected. The pricing is 0, and I'll say save. Okay, so what we need to do actually is not to go by the numbers, but by the name. Now I didn't record the name, so I'll close this here. I'll go back in the premium blackjack table. Exit the kit. So the three things that we need is the table skirt, then the blackjack dealer kit. So the dealer kit, and then we need the spill kit. So I'll go close this here, go here, exit the kit, and then so I will say inventory select. Now I will say dealer kit, go, and then there's many different ones. The one we want is blackjack dealer kit, and I know right now that it's the same number as what I was looking for, the 115. So I click on this, we've got that. Now I'll say save, and then when I click the save, it adds me a new line. Then I click back on this inventory variant, click on the select again, and now the next one is a spell kit. Go, click, and that's 120. That's the same number that I recorded. So I'll say save. Now let's just go here and have a look at this. When I refresh this, now suddenly we've got our premium table skirt, we've got our stuff, but you notice that they have a radio button. I can select one of them, and that's not how it really looks here. Normally it looks like these square boxes. To make it look like those square boxes, what we're going to need to do is to go back here and make this here into a multi-select checkbox. So I click on this, save. When I come back here, I press the refresh button, And perhaps I refresh too quickly. That's a good, interesting thing. Let's close this here. Let's go back in the premium blackjack table. Oh, I think I know what it is. So in the etiquette here, you see we've got multi-selected checkbox, and I did this. Now the difference here is that it's read only. Okay, so I'll close this here. I'll come back in the tutorial one. It's the kit. So I already have the multi-select checkbox, but it's not read only. And what that means is I can select multiple. I could say I want these two, but not this one, or I want just these two, or all of them. That's all a multi-select checkbox works. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it read only. And what that means is, I'll save that. What that means is now I cannot change them. I cannot choose what I want. I always get these things. So now I've got these three things like this. So we're getting very close to this. So that was how to add standard accessories.